Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Jazz battery. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure your car's engine is completely off, the ignition key is out, and the parking brake is firmly engaged. You'll need a few basic tools, primarily a 10mm wrench and a wire brush for cleaning terminals, to get started on this straightforward task. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the battery, typically found under the hood. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is crucial for safety. Next, do the same for the positive terminal. Once both cables are free, carefully unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. You can then lift the old battery out. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the terminal clamps with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits snugly. Now, connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal cable. Lastly, reattach and tighten the battery hold down to keep the battery stable. You're almost done. Perform a final check to ensure both positive and negative terminals are tightly secured and the battery hold down is firm. For added protection and to prevent corrosion, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Finally, start your Honda Jazz to confirm the new battery is functioning perfectly and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.